Good morning and welcome to today's video. Merry Vlogmas. We're all the people who are punctual. And today's gonna be awesome. Right guys? We're still waking up. What'd you say, Marco?
No, not doing on the spot. Everyone's gonna know I'm still drunk.
We are in full packing mode. Everything has to go to the track. So many cars are all getting loaded up in trailers and that big truck over there. And there's obviously a lot of other cool cars here. Look at this Fun Haver RX-7. Man, there's so many cool cars here. All right, anyways, I'm getting nervous, but we're gonna head to the track in a little bit and pick things up from there. That thing is so loud! She's got headphones on! Oh my God! It's too cold. It's so loud. So insane. Just a little. Just a little. Oh my God, that is so ridiculously loud. If she drives that, she has an advantage. Everyone will just be deaf.
That thing is so loud.
Could you imagine trying to chase it like behind that? You'd go, your ears would bleed.
You would just be scared the whole time.
Right? Far out, that's crazy. Look at this charge. Yo, you ready to lose, big boy?
Does this thing even run?
Dude, I'm not driving this. I'm driving a Z, so we're pretty even.
Oh. Well then hell yeah. Dude,
Let's go.
Everyone's like, oh, I'm making 500 horsepower. I want to have someone at least I can run with, like
Dude,
if they are gonna walk away on this track. Because everyone's
sure.
saying on the back section they will walk.
Yeah.
So if anything, you and I, like, I want this.
All right, I'm
Like,
down.
Like,
Okay.
that's what I want out of you.
All right.
I know.
Okay. All right, dude, I'm down. Let's do it.
I'm excited. 'Cause
I'm really excited.
They keep talking to everyone, and everyone's like, I don't really want to get bumped or anything like that. I'm like,
Dude, I don't care. It's a Z. If I have to buy a whole new car for Adam, I'm down. Let's go.
all right.
All right, let's do it.
They're really short. Go for it.
Love you, TJ. I think this is where everyone gets a car wash done. Yo, B-Ho, I'm next. B-Ho, me next. Me next, right? This is the car wash line, yeah?
What's that, Salmon?
Is that the car wash line? Oh, oh, oh. Yo, where did my hat just go? Yeah, we're good. Yo, that's my granddaddy's camera. That's sick, man. Yo, where'd you get that?
I got another one. I got an extra one for you.
Dude, show me that sticker on the side.
What you want, the tits?
Oh, that's some Akihabara stuff right there, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. On the road, enjoying my lovely S13 with a working diff. Just no aircon. Florida life with no aircon. We got the pump and everything there, so that's definitely something I want to get fixed. I just feel like this should have aircon. All my street drift cars have AC, and it's just so much nicer. But at least with the windows down, it feels good. Anyways, we'll pick things up when we get to the track. I definitely need a Starbucks run or something though. I need some coffee. We are now at the track and we're just kind of cruising around. There's a private event happening right now, so we're just chilling until we can move all the cars and set up the pits and everything for the event. But looking good, man. It's gonna be a fun event. I think I want to go and ask all the drivers, like, what are their plans, what's their tactic, and how they think they're gonna do, you know? Just see if I can get some ideas and stuff them all out. Maybe just, you know, put a bit of fear in their minds. Hey, there's a Z. Yo, look at that. Nito already set up. Damn. Yo, I cannot thank Nito enough for making sure we all got free tires for this event. I don't think that ever happens for a competition. That is amazing. Thank you, Nito. So Jimmy jumped on the cart with us and we're going for a run on the oval right now and just enjoying life.
You watch it on FB
riding
and
the
you're
wall.
like, oh, that sounded crazy. Then you're on and you're like, holy.
So like I said, I really want to ask all the drivers, like, what's their tactic, what's their plan, you know, for winning and all that kind of stuff. What was that?
That was a piece of rim.
Oh, okay, a broken wheel, hit the wall.
Block.
Jimmy, what's your plan? How are you gonna win?
Try not to suck.
Try not to suck. Try not to break something.
I noticed when we drifted the compound 2 days ago, that was like the first time I really tested my car.
Yeah.
And I realized
There's a piece of ring.
like drifting in a boosted car is different. You know what I mean? I haven't drifted in a boosted car in a while. You gotta really like kind of plan ahead, you know?
Yeah, okay, sure.
This piece of
That was
ring,
that piece of wheel.
I have to get used to planning ahead again with the throttle control.
I mean, I think you're overthinking it. You just gotta put
That's
that
just-
foot down.
well, I mean, that's
and
just what I
You got a
noticed.
Jay-Z, so...
You know?
Alright, cool. Any insights you want to give me? Let the people know like you're going for blood.
Everyone's out for blood.
Everyone's out for blood? All
I'm
right.
here for a good time, not a long time.
I'm here for a good time too. I mean, hopefully we do well. I'd love a pair of Blitz 03s for second place. I don't want the Corvette, I want the Blitz 03. So if I win, I'm just gonna go, hey, you want the Corvette, buddy?
Yeah.
The
But
Blitz
Adam's
03.
gonna buy like, they're gonna be like 17x7 plus 55.
Yeah, there'll be like a week offset
Yeah.
set. So I can't remember if I said this, but today's gonna be really, really chill. We're just setting up
Didn't you
everything
say
at
that
the track.
today was gonna be really chill?
It is.
Yeah.
Twice, maybe 3 times, 4 times. I don't remember,
Very chill.
but we're just, you know, going for a ride, having a good time. This is Scare Tactics right here. We're all getting ready for this rap battle.
Jam it. Oh, damn it, Sam it. You will always fucking jam it.
Yeah.
Sam. Fuck you, damn. Bury him now.
Yeah. Now.
I'm finna plant.
Finna plant it.
Where it hurts.
Yup.
In a hearse. Blood on the floor. Hit him where it hurts.
Yeah, it hurts.
Damn it.
You guys gotta put a jack in there somewhere.
Sam it, why you jamming? Ooh. Oh. Damn it. I better vlog and stuff rapping.
Yo, bro. You looking at home in this thing?
I love my Lexus.
This is nice. Yeah. Pretty sure this is Mike's, right?
Yeah, right.
I don't know whose this
think
is.
it's Adam's.
Oh no, yeah, this is Adam's.
Yeah.
Damn, the lace and everything. That is beautiful.
It's real nice.
How you doing, Hurt?
Chilling,
Good to
man.
see you here.
I'm chilling.
You excited for tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm excited to drive.
Nice.
Drive.
I've been asking all the drivers, what's your tactic for winning?
Floor it.
Floor it? Limiter?
Floor it.
Love it, man.
It's, you know, it's drifting. You know, just go out, have fun. Whatever happens, happens.
All right, man. Excited to drive with you tomorrow. Let's do it.
Let's run it, man.
There's a nice drift event happening. Yeah, man, a lot of Corvettes coming in now. Look at that sunset. Nothing like a good sunset and some tire shredding. Look at that. Beautiful. Secure your life. Nice. I've been eyeing this 8.6 the entire time I've been here. This is owned by one of the Drift HQ staff members, and it is really nice. Really nice Hachiroku 11. Love the livery on the sides there, the HKS pattern, the anime girls. I dig that a lot. Maybe one of these in the future, but SR powered? Question mark. We're leaving the track now to go get some food. Weather was brilliant today. It's insane that I come from Connecticut where it's pretty much snowing and icy and freezing down to Florida, and it is so hot that you get sunburn in the sun. Like, it's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go get something to eat and pick this back up at the compound tonight. We are back at the house.
Tommy, who do you think's gonna win?
Yeah, Tommy, tell us who's gonna win.
Who's gonna win, Tommy?
Tommy's the official announcer tomorrow, by the way, so you guys get to listen to this guy's beautiful voice. Are you gonna keep it PG?
By yelling during the live stream. What'd you say about PG?
Are you gonna keep it PG? Like,
I don't think I'm capable
Maybe
of that.
PG-13.
Nah,
PG-13?
keep it NC-17.
well, what do you guys have over here? Like, I mean, in Australia we have G, PG, M, and then MA, and R.
That's like our TV rating, so we don't even take those seriously.
PG, R.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's pretty much so.
Triple X.
This stream's gonna pretty much be R-rated then.
I'll tell you what I can and can't say. Okay. I obviously can't say anything.
A lot of words that Thomas can't say that I just removed.
Oh, you have to bleep all these.
Yeah.
How do you do that? You know that YouTube doesn't give a bigger.
They do.
They do.
TJ proved it. TJ Hunt, where you at? All right, guys. So I'm sure by now you've seen the way that we worked out the bracket. It was a lot of fun. I thought it was going to be done a little bit differently, but halfway through, I kind of clued on what was going to happen.
Very Hunger Games marble-esque.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was interesting. So if you haven't seen that live stream, that's probably on Adam's channel right now. Go check it out. It involved a lot of chairs and.
Jimmy.
Yes. SAMMIT keeps sabotaging my core. What? Yeah. Fact.
Why is Colette hiding? I don't know. Colette.
I was chilling. I'm anti-OEM plus.
You look like a rat. You should have said.
SAMMIT.
I have a Japanese wife.
If you didn't know.
If you didn't know.
Oh my God! Look at Chris.
Third battle, we have Jimmy versus SAMMIT.
Bogan versus Bogan.
My first battle is Mr. Oaks.
Yes. And you're driving the Z, right?
The Z, yeah.
Okay.
So, are you nervous? I'm nervous.
I'm just nervous that I do so bad under pressure, so I don't want to choke.
Oh, really?
I'm the worst.
Oh, really? We're going to close that door because those guys are all having fun. But I didn't expect that.
Oh, I'm the worst. I'm the worst. It'll be good though. I'm happy we get to go up against each other because I think it'll just be fun.
Yeah, that's it. Like, I'm really here to have fun. A
lot of guys are going for blood.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
like crazy. So
Crazy blood. But, man, like, yeah, I just want to have fun, and whatever's going to happen, man. I'm still going to be a friend. Yeah, that's true.
Okay. End this shit, SAMMIT.
All right. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. I know today's video wasn't super duper long, but I'm sure you guys still enjoyed it. Bit of behind the scenes of what's going on. I'm excited to meet some of you guys tomorrow. If any of you guys got the VIP and you're doing the ride-alongs and all that kind of stuff, super hyped to give you guys ride-alongs, and I'm just really hyped to also get some seat time and get that muscle memory for the whole like left-hand side of the car. I know I'm going to be fine after I do like 10 laps or so. Just got to get that in there and just that repetitiveness, and then I'll be fine. I'm going for blood. No, I mean, I'm going for fun, like to have a good time, but I mean, a set of Blitz, that's really, like, second place would be perfect, but, you know, I guess if we win the Corvette, we could just sell it or give it away and then buy a bunch of sets of Blitz 03s. So, I don't know, but I'm gonna have fun tomorrow, and I hope you guys are gonna be there and we get to see you and meet some of you. And with that, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, write a comment, and subscribe. We're aiming for 500K by the end of this year. If you haven't subbed yet, now is your opportunity, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
So yeah.
Jamata.